and welcome to this update of the Dark Ride cart. Let me show you some changes since the last time I updated. As you can see, I've mounted all the electronics in the back. I've got my battery charger, my control electronics. This is a speed control and direction. I have a dispatch button, but I also now have a stop button. I've also added a strobe, so if it goes off track, notice the strobe light is on. This alerts any of the actors in the maze that the cart is no longer tracking properly. It will also stop. So let's see what this looks like. So the kids will be waiting out here, and the cart will stop here as it did before. We'll load a group of kids in, and when they're ready, we will dispatch them. And so now the cart will drive itself. We have it going fairly slow, so you can see all the scenes. Shortly you will see a bunch of half walls, and this was done so we could get clearances. These walls will continue all the way up to the ceiling, and we'll have various scenes spread around. Some will be projection, some will be props, and some will be actors. So the whole ride should take about a minute. Not very long, but should be fun. Hope to have a good spooky finale here. And then once they come back to the station, the cart will stop on its own once it sees the stop mark. Let's do a POV, shall we? And away we go. Thank you for watching, and happy haunting.